Hello everyone. So in today's lecture we are going to focus on some important topics, some important numericals which are very helpful for the students, those who are preparing for JEE Mains and medical. Let's discuss the whole process first, and at the end of the video I'll tell you the trick to solve these numericals. So let's start. For example, if we have an equation given by V is equal to IR, or we have an equation which is given by impulse is equal to force into time, or some equations like that only. So suppose we have a battery of voltage V which is applied across a resistor R. Now in some part of the questions it is asked that if the resistance is increased by 10%, how much will be the percentage decrease in the current that flows in the circuit if the potential is maintained fixed? Or in other way, if impulse is given as force into time and the time of impact is increased by 10%, how much percentage will be the decrease in force for a same change of momentum or for the same impulse? And we can also have, for example, a force F is applied on a body having mass m and the acceleration produced in the body is a. And suppose if the mass of the body is increased by 10%, what will be the percentage decrease in the acceleration produced in the body? So all these questions can be solved using a single trick, and that trick I'll tell you at the end of the video. So please keep watching our video. So let's start solving this question in a basic way, in a process. So we know that V is equal to IR. So current is V by R. Now suppose the resistance is increased by 10%. So new resistance will be R plus 10% of R, and that would be 1.1 R. So now the new current will be given by V by R dash because the potential remains the same. So V upon R dash is 1.1 R. So that can be written as I upon 1.1. Now everyone knows that how to find out the change in current or the percentage change in current. So the percentage decrease will be change in value upon original value into 100. So now we can easily see that if I'll write the value of I dash as I upon 1.1 upon I into 100, then it comes out to be 1.1 minus 1 upon 1.1 into 100, which will be 0.1 upon 1.1 into 100, that will be 100 by 11%. So this is the basic way to solve this kind of questions, in which it is given that if one of the quantity and the product is same and one of the quantity is increased by 10%, we have to find out the percentage decrease in current. Or if the resistance is decreased by 10%, what will be the percentage increase in current? So this is the basic way, and the tricks for solving it is, what you have to do is just do this thing. So the percentage decrease can easily be calculated using this formula, where X represents how much percentage change is there, whether 10%, 20% or 30%. So here in this question you can see that X is 10 upon 100 plus 10 into 100. So once you solve it, you will get it as 10 upon 110 into 100. So this will be 100 upon 11% only. Now instead of increment, if there is a percentage decrease, then the formula will change, and the new formula will be, in place of plus you have to just take minus. So in this question, suppose if the time of impact is increased by 10%, what will be the percentage decrease in the force? You can easily calculate using the formula. If in this question, if the mass of the body is increased by 10%, keeping the force same, there will be a percentage decrease in acceleration, and again that can be calculated using this formula. I hope this is clear to everyone, and this is going to help you for entrance. Thank you very much.